Hello my dear friends, battery is full and I will show you the different modes. This is in the middle. This mode is a normal flashlight mode. You press it, you see the LED is green, it means that the flashlight is on. This is the lowest mode. This is, you press 2 times and you go to the strongest mode, the turbo mode. I suppose it's 3200 lumens. Okay. When I go to the left, this is the laser mode. You see the laser? I don't know how far the laser is going. It's difficult. I will show you at night time. And to the left, this is the UV mode. Okay, let's go to the flashlight mode again in the middle and open the winglet. What will happen? It's heavy duty. It's not so... It's really heavy duty. Okay, you open it. It's turning on automatically. If I turn it off, pressing 1 time, pressing again, it's on. 2 times, it goes to the max mode. It's 300 lumens now. Now I open the second winglet. This is a maximum angle. I would say it's about, I don't know how many degrees, but you see it over here. You can play with the angle very easily. Turns down, turns off. Goes stronger. Okay. This was the first introduction of the functions of the Wurkkos HD02. I will test this flashlight in real life, and I will use it on a tripod, making some videos for you, and I will talk about the real performance later. My first impressions are very positive. And it's not done yet. There's much more stuff to discover. I like to make the experience myself, you know. I have to test the flashlight and then I will give you my opinion. I will test it on a car. I will use a magnet. Would it be possible to make a tire change by using the winglets? I will tell you all this very soon, my friends. See you. Bye bye.